Broodmother Noctul has contacted us. She speaks for the remaining Broodmothers not under your control. They feel your power, and they wish to return to the swarm.
Broodmothers, hear me. I am sending you the location of our enemies across the sector. Destroy them. Burn their strongholds in my name. Then, you shall be one with the swarm.
We shall do this, my queen.
With their return, the swarm will be whole. You are very near to your victory. You have unselected abilities, my queen. You can review them within your chamber. My queen, you radiate with power. Your ultimate abilities have awakened.
Skygeirr Station, the Dominion's secret weapons lab. This is the heart of Mengsk's hybrid breeding program.
Tell me about the hybrid.
Zerg and Protoss DNA combined. Something that should not be possible.
And these creatures will follow Mengsk's orders?
He believes they will. I am not so sure.
This place is very far out of the way, but it's guarded as if it were Korhal itself.
The Terrans must greatly prize that which lies within.
But technology at this scale, this is beyond Mengsk's engineers.
Perhaps they have help from something greater than themselves.
If there are any answers, they are inside.
This place of metal and stone. Why?
You're not impressed? The Primal Zerg couldn't build something like this.
I do not need a wall. I will evolve armor. I do not need a weapon. I will evolve claws.
The toolmakers might create something stronger than your armor and claws.
Their tools stay the same. I collect. I change.
Hydralisk strain ready for augmentation. Expeditionary brood discovered ancient Zerg essence in Dominion space. Brood under attack. Limited time. Planet Merrick 5. Swarm hive cluster under assault.
Prometheus Company. The Dominion's infestation specialists. We need to move fast.
Essence nearby. Overmind creation. Impaler colony. Slow attack. Incredible damage. Collect essence. Adapt hydralisks. Defeat Dominion. Examining. Sequence incomplete. Must kill remaining Impaler colonies. Sequence acquired. Spinning Impaler essence into Hydralisk morph. Hydralisks now able to morph into Impalers. Attacks while burrowed, damages single target, tears through armor.
Something just busted out of the ground!
Dominion barricade destroyed.
That missile turret can detect our Impalers while burrowed. Take it out first.
Keep it together.
Barricades destroyed. Only Prometheus Company base remains. Terran forces eliminated. Alternative Hydralisk morph possible. Surviving lurker dens discovered. Planet Caver. Once birthing colony for Dagoth's brood. Now feral. Feral lurkers. Survivors of interswarm conflict.
I can control them, but I can't morph more.
Key transformation sequence missing. Requires lurker den. Secure nearby den. Return essence to swarm control.
feral Zerg have sensed us. Burrow, quickly.
Lurker attacks many foes while burrowed. Effective against light enemies.
More feral Zerg. Burrow quickly and attack.
Destination reached. Broodmother Kilisa inbound to extract essence. Overlords en route.
I sense the feral Zerg moving. They're attacking from the south. Defend the lurker den. Another wave incoming. Keep them off the lurker den.
Feral Zerg defeated. Broodmother ready to extract essence. Must prepare sequences for Hydralisk Morph. Returning to Evolution Pit. Hydralisk Morph ready for integration. Await decision. Evolution complete.
The vanguard of your swarm holds the entrance of the lab. The hybrid wait within. Let's send them to hell.
Be quick. I have a battle to command.
I must warn you about the being that runs this lab. Dr. Narud. An ancient shapeshifter who has worn many faces over the years. He made me what I am.
So he's not a Terran. Protoss? He can't be Zerg or I would know.
None of those. He is the servant of an ancient Zolnaga known as Amon.
I learned of Amon on Xeris. He's dead.
Well, his creation lives on. Narud is the most dangerous being you've ever met. And you will face him in there.
We're inside.
Kerrigan, this lab houses the culmination of Narud's research. The hybrid. They are the ultimate weapon of the final war.
The hybrid are waking up.
What's happening to you?
It's attacking me psionically, draining me.
Stay strong. You must kill the hybrid or we are all doomed.
Speak. Minsk will suffer.
Eliminate that hybrid before its attack kills you.
Bring it down, now! It is time. Boldly. Your queen listens. No time like the present. I am the swarm. The swarm. What is it this time? Yes. It is time. Your queen.
Spawn more overlords.
Speak.
Spawn more overlords. Spawn more overlords.
Yes. Mengsk will suffer. Red.
You cannot last much longer. The hybrid must be destroyed.
Speak.
We require more minerals.
It is. What is it this time?
We
A
require
Dominion force is moving on the hive cluster.
Retribution will. Your queen listens.
We require spawn more overlords.
This war. Yes. Our conquest continues. We adapt. Speak. Yes. Make your peace.
You must eliminate the hybrid. Time is short.
No time.
The hybrid is dead, but it will not be the last.
You are not welcome here, Kerrigan.
Narud.
My queen, hybrid psionic signatures are appearing across the laboratory.
What? Speak. I am the swarm. This world is mine. We adapt. We are without limit. Boldly. Our conquest continues. Mengsk will suffer. No time like the present. Make your peace.
In your purpose, kill everything.
A hybrid is attacking you psionically. It must be eliminated if you are to survive.
Boldly.
Spawn more. Oh, we require more minerals.
Our conquest continues.
We require more minerals.
Retribution. Yes. No time like the present.
We require more minerals.
Make your peace. We adapt. This world is mine. The swarm conquers all. We are without limit. I am the swarm. This world is mine. Our conquest continues. We are without limit. What is it this time? This world is... Yes. The Dominion captured a Brutalisk. If we get close enough, I can control it. The swarm conquers all. It is time.
We require more minerals.
Your queen listens. Make...
You must destroy the hybrid before their power kills you.
Make your peace. No time like the present. Boldly.
We require more minerals.
Our conquest continues. The world is mine.
One less hybrid. The swarm now controls this section of the lab.
Your...
We require more minerals.
Boldly. Make your peace. I am the swarm. We adapt. The swarm conquers all. No time. The swarm conquers all.
Another hybrid has been released. They must be destroyed.
This world is mine.
We require more minerals.
Boldly. No time like the present. Our conquest continues. No time like the present. Make your peace. The Brutalisk is mine. Yes. Make school. What is it this time?
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Your queen listens. We are without limit. Speak. This world is mine. Retribution will be mine.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
We adapt. I am the swarm. We adapt. The swarm conquers all.
Another hybrid dead.
Make school. What is it this time?
Our forces are under attack. More overlords.
Your queen listens. Make your peace. This world is mine. Retribution will be mine.
Spawn more overlords.
We adapt. I am the swarm. It is time. Make school suffer.
Both brutalisks have been claimed by the swarm.
Excellent. Now let's finish the hybrid. Yes. What is... Retribution will be mine.
A hybrid has begun attacking you psionically.
You cannot fight the inevitable.
Speak. It... Speak. Makes will suffer. The swarm conquers all. Make your peace.
The swarm has served its purpose. It is a broken tool, fit only for the scrap heap.
Ignore his prattling. More of the lab has come under our control.
Additional hybrid signatures detected.
The swarm conquers all. Without limit. We adapt. Make your peace. time like the present.
We require more.
Warning! Another hybrid is attacking you.
Swarm. Make your peace. No time like the present. We adapt.
Mineral field depleted. We require more minerals.
Boldly. Retribution will be mine.
We require more minerals.
This world is mine. Our conquest continues. We are without limit. Our conquest continues.
Mutation complete.
I am the swarm. No time like the present. Boldly. The swarm.
We require more minerals.
Boldly. This world is mine.
A hybrid is attacking you psionically.
Can you feel the hatred, Garrick, coursing through your mind? You surprise me, but you still have no hope.
When this is over, I'm coming for you, Narud.
So
Detecting 2 hybrid signatures. They are in close proximity.
Yes. We are without limit. Make your peace. We adapt. Our conquest continues. We are without limit. Mixed will suffer. No time like the present. Make your peace.
Narud has awakened 2 hybrid at once.
This is it, Garrick. Kill them. The lab is ours.
Boldly. No time like the present.
We have succeeded, my queen. There are no more hybrid signatures on this level.
Have the swarm flood into the lower levels. Kill everyone in our way. Narud is up to something, and I intend to find out what.